No calculator, no chat GPT. Before you scroll away, answer this. M plus 1 divided by 1 plus m is equal to, then what's the value of m? A bunch of students say confidently yes and then get completely stuck. In the next 60 seconds, you will either discover a matrix that blows your mind or you will realize why almost everyone get this problem wrong. Don't skip a single step because the last line of the solution changes everything. So now at first we will use the method of USA style. So at first you will write here m plus 1 divided by 1 plus m is equal to 2, which is given to us. Now we can write here by applying multiplication rules. M plus 1 is equal to 2 times bracket this 1 plus m bracket. Alright, after that we can write m plus 1 is equal to 2 times 1 will be 2 plus 2 times m will be 2m. Now take everything from right to left side, then we'll get m plus 1 minus 2 minus 2m is equal to 0. Perfectly done. After doing this, just simply do mathematical terms rule, apply here, then we'll get minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we can write bracket minus, which common bracket minus 1, then we'll get m plus 1 equal to 0. Now minus m plus 1 times minus 1 is equal to 0 times minus 1. We just do product with minus 1 both side, then we'll get the positive value of m plus 1 is equal to 0. So the value of m is equal to minus 1. So guys, this is our first answer which we get from by applying the USA style mathematical method. Now we will try the Japanese style mathematical method to solve this exponential equation algebraic. So carefully look here and give your attention. So the given equation we get from the question, which was m plus 1 divided by 1 plus m is equal to 2. So we can write here m plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 2m, and now just applying the mathematical elimination method, then we'll get m is equal to 2 plus 2m minus 1. Guys, if you are carefully look here, we just here use two type of formula apply in this solution, which kind of like one of the most useful method, which is elimination method, and second method will be subtraction formula with quadratic equation formula. But elimination method is perfect for this solution at all. So if we know, do like x is equal to y, then if we square the both side, then we'll get x squared is equal to y square. This is correct by mathematical terms. If we take x is equal to y, then if we square this, then this is same equal, right? So now we are taking x as the value of m and y as the value of 2 m plus 1 bracket. All done perfectly. So after that, kindly look here, we'll get here like m square is equal to bracket 2m whole square plus 1 whole square. We just do both side square, then we'll get m square is equal to 2m square plus 1 square plus 2 times m times 1. After that we will get m square is equal to 4m square plus 1 plus 4m. Then we just take everything in the left side and do some elimination mathematical method of Japanese math. Then we'll get m square minus m square plus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. So by elimination this will get m square plus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. Alright, after that we can write m square and write 4m as a 3m plus m plus 1 is perfectly 0. Gets yes. After that we can write 3m as a common from the equation, then we'll get bracket m plus 1 and get plus 1, then m plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we can write m plus 1 times m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now the value of m will be minus 1 by 3 comma other one will be minus 1. So guys, after applying Japanese method we get our two solution answer of m minus 1 by 3 comma minus 1. Now we have to test and verify these two value. So if we take the value of m, then the equation was m plus 1 divided by 1 plus m is equal to 2. We have to just replace the value of m in here, which is minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is like 0 is equal to 2, but this is cannot possible. So if you look here, the value of minus 1 is rejected. This is not the solution. So guys, this is not the solution of m equal minus 1. So we have to take a look the other one, which was m equal minus 1 by 3. So if we apply and replace this value in the equation, then it will be minus 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So this will be 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 is equal to 2. So after dividing this is equal to 1 is equal to 2, but that this cannot possible. So guys, the second method of solutions Japanese tricks minus 1 by 3 is wrong. So guys, we can say this solution, this math has no solution. So this is math has no solution. Thank you.